Effective strategies for Kafka topic partitioning. Partitions allow Kafka to scale by distributing data across multiple brokers. Each partition is stored on a single broker. But, Kafka can spread partitions across multiple brokers for load balancing and redundancy. Why partitioning matters? Partitioning is key to achieving Kafka's scalability, fault tolerance, and high throughput. The number of partitions affects performance. It determines how data is distributed, replicated, and processed by consumers. Parallel processing. Kafka consumers can read from multiple partitions in parallel. This improves throughput and latency. This parallelism is crucial for applications requiring real-time data processing. Choosing the right number of partitions. One of the first decisions in Kafka topic partitioning is how many partitions to use for each topic. This number depends on several factors. They are the expected load, the number of consumers, and the throughput requirements. Consumer load. The number of partitions must match the number of consumers in the consumer group. If you have more partitions than consumers, some consumers will be idle. Conversely, if there are fewer partitions than consumers, some consumers will be underutilized. Partition key design. Partition keys define how records are distributed across partitions. Kafka uses the partition key to assign a record to a specific partition. The key is hashed, and Kafka determines the partition based on the hash value. Monitor partition distribution. Effective partition distribution is crucial to ensure that Kafka brokers are evenly loaded. Uneven partition distribution can cause resource contention. Some brokers will handle too much data while others stay idle. Kafka metrics. Use Kafka's metrics and monitoring tools, like JMX, Prometheus, and Grafana. Check the partitions and their distribution across brokers. Rebalance alerts. Set alerts to notify you of unevenly distributed partitions. This lets you fix the issue before it affects performance. Network load. Kafka replication and data distribution use network bandwidth. More partitions increase replication traffic and the overall network load. Conclusion. In conclusion, Kafka partitioning is key to configuring and managing your Kafka cluster. The right number of partitions and effective keys matter.